Biology Part 27, Chloroplast and Photosynthesis. Chloroplasts are the cell organ cells, green plasters which carry out the photosynthesis. The basic structure of chloroplast has been outlined in our tutorial shown in the figure. Like mitochondria, the chloroplasts are also surrounded by a pair of membrane. However, within the fluid interior and stroma of the chloroplast, there is an additional system of shaped cavities and thylakoids. Well, the thylakoids are stacked together like those coins to make structures called grana, and its singular is granum. These are in turn interconnected by membrane and called lamellae. Well, freeze fracture electromagnetic graphs is been obtained in the technique described here show that the membrane of the thylaxis process may enlarge the particles distributed within the lipid bipolar. The biochemical evidence is available indicates that the membrane contains all the components needed for the absorbing hot light and carrying out the light reactions for the synthesis. While the dark reactions are carried out in the stroma, glucose made by the dark reactions are stored there, and the chloroplast structure is thought to be linked with the biochemistry of the photosynthesis. The details of this arrangement are not yet fully understood by the known age kinds and transferred into the interior of the thylakoids, thereby creating the production of ATP. Thus, ATP formulation depends on the chemiosomatic mechanization, which is very much similar to that used duration of the respiration. For reason which remains to be discovered, the 3H is there and can't really be explained in this way. Biochemistry of the light reactions. The light reactions or photoreactions of photosynthesis trap the energy of sunlight using light-sensitive pigments, including chlorophylls and carotenoids and xanthophylls. And these substances are fixed in thylakoids membrane but can be extracted by the grinding of the leaves. The most important pigment of the chlorophylls, which has the flat lollipop shape shown in the figure, and it contains magnetism. It also has magnesium atom located at its center. The structure of the enables electrons wander freely over the surface of the chlorophyll molecule rather than being held rigidly in place. As a result, when the packer and the photon of light's correct wavelength strikes the molecule, an electron can be temporarily displaced to higher energy of level. Well, stated in another way, the chlorophylls molecules is said to become excited by absorbing light energy. The rate of photosynthesis varies according to the different colors of light supplied. This can be demonstrated experimentally by measuring the amount of oxygen produced by a plant exposed. Then a range of different light wavelength presented graphically. The results of this experiment show action spectrum, measuring the amount of light different wavelength which passes through it. There is an absorption spectrum in the thylakoids membrane chloroplasts, and in fact it deals with the antenna complex that traps light over the whole of the surface and is arranged in a special way so that no matter where the light energy is received, it is channeled to just the molecule called reaction center, and chlorophyll is there. light absorbed by an antenna will also reach the chlorophyll and exchange for low energy electrons in the beginning of the process.